Hello everyone. So our next question in the bucket list is triangle. Let's like it because many of them liked it. Okay, no problem. I only do it to keep track of my questions. Given a triangle, they return the minimum path sum from top to bottom. Okay. For each step, you may move to an adjacent number of row below. More formally, if you are on index I, you can go for I or I plus 1. Okay. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so either from 2 to 3 I can move, or I can go from such that if I'm on index I 0, so I can remain on 0 or I can go for 4. Okay, yeah, it doesn't look that much difficult to me. It's kind of DP, I think. Oh, there can be negative number also. So what we have to do is we have to start from first. Okay, yeah, cool. We have to reach somewhere. Uh, let's see, the triangle length is 200 cross 200. Okay, so let's make a better triangle. I already have written the name. 2364. Oh, I guess it is pretty trivial question. Like you would have find DP's basic question. Like you are starting from here, okay, and then from 2 to 3 or 4. Where should I move? We can end at any of these places now. So 2 to 3. Okay, so let's try to write the recursive solution of it. So max sum, max of, we are at index ij at first. Okay, ij. Hmm. This is our function. So return max of, call on both, call on 3 and 4, both of them. Max of array of I comma j. We are going to next. This is j. This is I for me. Okay. Max of this, not like return max of this. Control by control by control by. Yeah. Let's try to use it. Shit. So instead of it, I should have written, see, define max of ij. So return array of, this is k, array of j I. It will be j I, no, j plus 1, no, rather j I plus max of array of j plus 1 and I, or array of j plus 1 and I plus 1. Yeah, this should be our answer. Okay, and we have to do it till we reach till we hit the ground. Let's write the code. Let's take a helper function, helper dp. What we will pass is I and j. Triangle is already there, array is already there. Okay, so initially I will be 0 and j will be 0 too. And what we have to do is simply return array of I j plus max of k. Yeah, there won't be any anomaly anywhere, I guess. Like if we are at 4, we can always go to 7. So array of not array, rather helper. We are going to call helper on I plus I and j plus 1. Okay, this is a problem. Like, not I j, rather j and I. At jth for each I. So at j plus 1 for each I and j plus 1 comma I plus 1. Cool. And if we are at, if I is equal to, no, not I, if j is equal to length of triangle, then break, return 0. Oh, it can be minimum also, na? Yeah, 10 to the minus 4. So rather returning 0, okay, it can go negative also. Everyone gonna hit the base, so let's return minus. We don't have to return the value. Yeah, we have to return the value. So whenever we hit the base, minus 1, minus 0, minus 3 and minus 5, so it will return 0. Yeah, we can return 0 even we are hitting the base. Okay, so let's return helper. Okay, let's run code now. Why I'm putting I and j? Return helper directly. Okay. Oh, these variables. I should be careful about the variables also. Plus, I shouldn't have used array while describing the code there. It's 21 and expected is 11. So I have to return min or max. Min. That's why it's making us first. Okay, so return min. But if it would be 0, okay, no problem. Everyone hit 0, so it won't be problem. So I might get TLE in here. So instead of getting TLE, let's use default lib. It says import default lib. And yeah, TLE we got it. So we will memorize our recursive function. Okay. For each I and j, and I and j can hit, let's see, yeah, 200 cross 200, no problem. So for each I j, if tuple I comma j, okay, if tuple I comma j in memo, then return memo of I comma j, okay, else memo of ij memo of ij equals this, and then we are gonna return it. Does it work? No, I haven't copied memo ij, so now let's do this. Return memo of ij and return helper. Okay, memo memo. Let's see. Okay, it is running on this. Let's try the test case. We had some problem. Okay, this is copying error message. G1. This is big, but let's try it. At least it should work after memorization. If it is not working after memorization, then we have to use DP directly. Like we have to create DP table. Yeah, but it is working, so good to go. We are good to go. See, this is considered a hard question. Sorry, medium. Okay, that's medium. That's what I thought. Okay, so it's working. Thank you guys. Subscribe for more questions. Meet you soon. Bye.